Assalamu alaikum. My name is Dr. Tabish. I'm working as assistant professor in chemical engineering department, UT Lahore. Every year, millions of lives are lost because of drinking contaminated water. Availability of clean drinking water is a basic human right, and the water contains several pollutants including physical, chemical, and biological. Biological contaminants are the most concerned one because they contain microorganisms, and those microorganisms lead to several diseases and at the end casualties. There are several techniques to disinfect the microorganisms, and those techniques include ultraviolet radiations, reverse osmosis, chlorination, and ozonation. Reverse osmosis is a versatile technique, but it's expensive to buy and difficult to operate. And ultraviolet radiations, they have technological limitations because of the transmission limits of the ultraviolet radiations within the turbid water. Ozonation and chlorination, they produce disinfection byproducts, and disinfection byproducts, they are harmful in the treated water. We are working on another technique, that is electrochemical disinfection. Electrochemical disinfection works on the principles of electrochemistry. On the electrodes, electrons are generated, and these electrons directly disinfect the microorganisms. Alternately, several chemical radicals are produced, and these radicals include hydroxyl radicals, ozone and oxygen radicals. And when microorganisms come in contact with these radicals, they become hibernate and disinfect. The overall electrochemical disinfection system, it contains pre-filtration process, electrochemical disinfection process, and the post-filtration process. Pre-filtration is to ensure the removal of particles that are more than the micron size. Electrochemical disinfection removes the microorganisms, and post-filtration is to remove the dead bodies and also to polish the treated water. This electrochemical technique against the competitors, it offers several advantages. For example, the low cost, environment compatibility, easy to operate, and their preservative effect in the treated water. Major target of this project is the underdeveloped and developing countries, especially the low income communities of Pakistan. In the flooded areas, the flood water contains all these microorganisms, and in the flood time, it becomes very difficult to supply the drinking water. We are working on the development of a flood water treatment system for the drinking purposes, and the electrochemical technique will be applied in the process. System will be mobile, so it can be carried out to any location, any flooded area.